Hi guys, I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. So welcome to our 16th episode of our Play Daily Review. Yes, we will be as usual. We will be discussing two counters in this video, and also I will be analyzing the current index and also some big happenings that I want to share with you. Okay, so before we proceed, for my friends that are watching this video for the first time, I would like to let you know that our video will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is actually the best insider. Okay, so if you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of story behind. All right, if you have no idea how it works, then you need to watch our video to the end, and I will share with you how I read the chart. All right. So if you haven't watched our previous analysis on the stock overseas and also Atronic, feel free to click into our channel to watch the last episode. And don't forget, for those who haven't subscribed my channel, drag down of this video and click on the subscribe button right now so that you won't miss our next video. Alright, so that's all for the opening. Let us proceed to the content for today. Alright. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to show you the chart for Dow Jones, yeah, for US market. So last night we can see there's a kind of strong rebound, yeah, finally after this more than 1 or 2 weeks of dropping, yeah, finally we see a some better rebound yesterday, yeah. And what's more important is, as you can see, yesterday rebound is actually already breaks the resistance, yeah, resistance of previous gap over here. Okay, and also it breaks the resistance of MA10 as well. All right, but then you can see that the rebound yesterday was being blocked by the major resistance over here, yeah, which is the gap that is formed when there's starting of the panic sell last week. All right, so this level will be the major resistance. So what you need to monitor next is to see whether maybe tonight, yeah, who knows, maybe tonight the Dow Jones able to break the resistance of this level around 35,300 and until 35,600, yeah, this level. If able to break this resistance, then it will have good potential to actually challenge the previous high, yeah, around 36,000. All right, so this is a simple and direct analysis of the Dow Jones chart. All right. Okay. So after we're looking at Dow Jones, we also take a look on the chart of Nasdaq. Yeah, the technology indicator. Okay. So you can see that as I mentioned before, amongst the major indices of US market, Nasdaq is the one that considered stronger. Yeah, when Dow Jones is dropping, Nasdaq they drop as well, but not too much as compared with the Dow Jones. And now you can see, if I read from the chart, you can see that the index of the Nasdaq is actually supported. Yeah, it's actually supported on the MA50, which is the crucial support. Yeah, on the 3rd of December, it breaks the support of MA50. Then the next day, it able to rebound back, and yesterday it had actually rebound and closed above the above all the moving average line. Yeah, so far the rebound looking good. Yeah, looking good so far. So that we need to monitor the next few days. Yeah, if able to sustain at this momentum, then uh, let it be the chart, let it be the Dow Jones or the Nasdaq, both have a good potential to actually challenge the previous high. All right, so the next day will be crucial. All right. Okay, so after we're looking at a chart of US market, next we directly go into our Malaysia market. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you the chart of KLCI, our index. Okay, so yep, the chart of KLCI today is actually finally like, wow, there's actually something that we can expect. Yeah, yesterday on Monday the index has actually break the support and touch the final defense, we call it, yeah, around the level of 1484. Then today it straight away make a rebound over here, but it's still not the best because it's still unable to break the psychological resistance, yeah, of 1500. All right, so maybe tomorrow we can see the index can break the 1500, yeah, who knows. So if the index able to break the resistance of 1500, then you can see the overall Bursa market, yeah, Malaysia market will have a finally we can see some bullish momentum. Yeah, a lot of stock will be have a rebound and good play in 1 or 2 days. Yeah, if the index able to break 1005 tomorrow. Okay, so there's something you need to monitor. And of course, if the index fail to break 1005, then find the support that we need to monitor is still 1484. Yeah, if the index break 1484 the support, then it will continue to go lower. Okay, so that's the point that you need to monitor. All right. So after we're talking about the index of KRCI, we go directly into the first counter of today. Yeah, the first counter that I'm going to share with you is one of the market focus recently. Yeah, VS Industry, one of our EMS company in Johor. Okay, yeah. So I believe most of you have actually read the announcement. Yeah, on released yesterday by the company itself. Yeah, which is a joint statement between the VS company and also the recently a famous guy, yeah, Mr. Andy Hall. So I'm not going to read all the details over here, yeah. If you're interested and you haven't read, you feel free to search in Google for the statement. All right. So basically it's a positive content and positive news. All right, so you can see that news released yesterday on 6th of December, then today the share price is actually making a gap up opening. Yeah, open at 131 this morning, today morning, but then sadly you can see the price is actually closed low. Okay, so maybe I can share with you the reason why the price is closed low for today is because mainly because today is the T2 of the huge volume on the second of December, yeah, which is the day of panic sell. All right, so a lot of people that actually caught bottom fishing on this day. Then today, if they are using the control account, then today will be the day that we need to sell the holdings. Yeah, if they decided not to, I mean, buy in cash, then today is the last day they need to sell. So that's why you can see even the price is I mean shooting up. Yeah, opened high on this morning, but then it's being sold down on the closing. All right, so it's just a minor I mean observation over here. But if you see on the major picture, yeah, on the big picture of this chart, you need to see that it's actually still the chart is still in a bearish momentum. Yeah, it's still in the bad formation. Okay, because this sell down is actually has broken all the formation of the chart. Okay, so if you say you want to make a rebound or the trend reversal, I believe it would need some time. Yeah, it will need some time. In fact, you will need some time to absorb this huge selling over here. Okay, so if you simply analyze from the perspective of this chart, this should be the support level that you need to take note. Yeah, 1 ringgit and 14 cent. Yeah, as long as the price don't break the level of 1 ringgit and 14 cents, then it will maybe make a consolidation at this range. Yeah, consolidation up and down on this range, then maybe it will make a slowly inching up. Yeah, and come back to the previous price level. All right, okay, so this is the point that you need to take note. Yeah, 1 ringgit and 14 cents. Okay, if the price breaks the support of 1 ringgit 14 cents, then it will look worse. Yeah, it may be worse because it will go maybe retest the support of 1 ringgit. Yeah, so this is something that we don't want to see. Yeah, of course. So if you're holding it, this should be the level that you need to monitor. And of course, if you don't have the share right now, for me personally, I will not make an entry right now because it's still uncertain. Yeah, it's still uncertain, and of course, the chart formation doesn't look good. Yeah, doesn't look good. It's already on the downtrend. Okay, so yeah. So here's my some simple advice and analyze, especially for those who are holding it. Okay, so these are the point that level that you need to monitor. All right. Okay, so after we're talking about VS industry, let's go into the second counter for this video, which is KOSSAN. Yeah, our glove counter. Okay, so last week, due to the news of Omicron, right, the new variant of coronavirus, and I believe a lot of traders and retailers has actually panicked buy on glove counter. But sadly to say, there's some of them was actually being trapped on the top right now, yeah, because as you can see, the few major glove counter, top glove, Kosan, Hata, yeah, Supermax, they are all having similar formation. If you look at the chart, yeah, you try to look back on the chart, it's actually pretty similar. So on the day of panic buy, you can see that if you're buying high over here, you're actually trapped on high right now, yeah, because even it goes the same for top glove, yeah, as you can see, if panic buy over here, you're actually trapped already, okay, because after the day of panic buy, then it just dropping non-stop for 4 to 5 days. Okay, so today is the fifth day. Okay, let's go back to the chart of Kosan. All right, so sad to say that the chart right now doesn't look good, yeah. It's simply because it goes back to the downtrend channel again, yeah, because as you can see this level, all right, maybe I can make it some drawing for you, then you can see it clearer. Okay, over here is one of high point, right, one of a high point, then this one, can you see it's a lower high, right? Am I right? It's a lower high, right? Over here until here, yeah, it's a lower high, and then over here you can see that a low point over here. Okay, this is the first point of lower point, and then comes to the second one, which is this area. Okay, and then today it actually breaks, yeah, the lower point of the previous low. All right, so which is here. So it is pretty clear, right? You can see it's a it goes back to the downtrend channel again. It forms a lower high and a lower low. Okay, so as I mentioned a few times in my videos, what is the characteristic of a downtrend? The characteristic of the downtrend is you will not know where is the lowest point. You will not know where is the bottom, yeah, unless it forms some trend reversal or some higher low and higher high signal. If not, it's still in the downtrend. Okay, and what is the worst for Kosan chart is today price is 1 ringgit and 91 cents. Yeah, close at 1 ringgit and 91 cents, and the lowest is 1 ringgit and 87 cents. But then if you see from the bigger picture, yeah, I dragged back even until the price before the pandemic, yeah, it's even lower than that, yeah, as you can see over here. On the year of 2019, yeah, the share price doesn't go below 2 ringgit. Yeah, maybe on the on the second half, of 2 ringgit, and I mean on the second half of 2019, the share price doesn't go below 2 ringgit. All right, so the pricing for today is 1 ringgit 91 cents. So you can see how huge the selling pressure is. All right, if you ask me whether this is this the bottom, because it's been dropping for so much, right, my answer to you is yeah, just same answer as what I've been mentioning just now. In the downtrend, we will not know where is the bottom. Okay, and you my advice is you don't need to guess where's the bottom is, because we trade and we invest based on the chart, right? When the chart is form a bottoming signal and or create a signal of trend reversal or the higher low at least, then you will know where's the bottom. Yeah, if you keep guessing on where's the bottom, then it's pretty high possibilities that you will get caught. Yeah, you will get trapped in the downtrend. All right, so yeah, so this is my reading on this chart of Kosan. Okay, let me remove the drawings first. Okay, all right, so one thing is you can see this is the previous low. Okay, so for those who are actually holding the share of Kosan, okay, if I analyze from the perspective of technical analysis, yeah, so this is the level that you need to monitor. Okay, 1 ringgit and 95 cents should be the resistance. Okay, if the share price able to rebound back and stay above 1 ringgit 95 cents, then maybe the level of 1 ringgit and 95 cents is the level of the bottom. Yeah, it may be the bottom of this downtrend. Okay, but listen carefully. Only if the share price can rebound back above 1.95 and stay above, then only this price level could be the bottom. If the share price fail to break above 1.95, then it will just continue to go lower and lower, yeah, in its downtrend channel. Okay, so 1.95 is a very important resistance point for KOSSAN. Okay, so especially for those who are having ticket on your hand, you need to take note, yeah, being really serious on this. Okay, all right, so yep, so this is my analysis on KOSSAN. Okay, lastly, I show you the chart of top glove as well. Okay, top glove slightly better than KOSSAN because it haven't reached a new low. Yeah, it didn't reach a new low, and today it even closed green. But then I need to I need to remind you that this line, okay, let me remove this. All right, okay, so you can see the gap over here, right? So yesterday the share price is actually broken the support of the gap, okay, and today it fails to rebound back to the above the gap as well, which means the support is broken. All right, and then that's the first point. The second point is today price is still maintained below the moving average, so there's a very high chance that the share price will go back into the downtrend channel just like KOSSAN, and it might just retest the support of maybe 2 ringgit and 20 cents. Yeah, you might retest the support at this area, and if it failed to get supported, then it will keep goes lower. All right, so here's my sincere advice from the technical analysis perspective for those who actually invest in glove counter. All right, so I hope some of my views, yeah, my 2 cents able to provide some guidance and some advice. Not to say advice, yeah, maybe some views, extra views as your reference. Okay, all right, so yeah, so that's all for this video for today. I have mentioning index of the US market and also the Malaysia market, and also I discussed two counter with you, the VS industry and also KOSSAN rubber. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from our video today, especially the part of technical analysis. And if you have any counter that you want us to do the analysis, feel free to comment below the video. Yeah, so and if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like and share button, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe our channel, yeah, so that you won't miss our next analysis. Okay, all right, so thank you for watching. I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.